look like someone that has chicken pox.
Not really.
Hi guys, welcome back. How was your week? I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, my name is JB of Jonaks Beauty. I'm a makeup artist in real life and on YouTube. And welcome to my channel. Please come in, have a seat. You are welcome. So guys, I have today with me my friend. His name is Dayo and he's a
Makeup artist. Upcoming makeup artist.
or professional makeup artist.
Upcoming makeup artist.
Okay. He says he's an upcoming makeup artist.
Oh joy.
And he has decided to come and beat this face today.
I will beat the face.
Guys, I'm going to slay this face. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely keep watching.
Okay. So
one eternity later.
I'll be priming her face. Okay. So okay. I can see the effect of what I'm doing after.
What effect?
Don't worry.
So what are you doing now?
I'm concealing her face.
Okay.
I'm concealing her face.
So what's the plan when you're concealing my face?
At the point where I'm concealing your face, what I'm planning to do is, prepare your face for the effect of the foundation, so that after putting the foundation, then whatever we are building on it stays as in perfectly well. This is just like a German concrete we are doing. When you're into building, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so
You look like someone that has chicken pox.
not really. That's what you're seeing. It's more. So this is how you just brush it mildly, not thoroughly. Okay. So
Oh, Dago.
oh my God, this is beautiful. This thing is too much.
You think?
Hey. This is beautiful. Honestly.
Oh wow.
Trust me. I hope you guys are enjoying this. Yeah, it's gonna turn out really, really awesome. Oh my God. Now we're going to apply the foundation. Okay? Just don't worry. No. Yes. Lord have mercy. Can I see the side? Damn it. Okay, so I have laid the foundation. I'm thinking of using the powder now, but maybe not. So I have, buttercup setting powder. I have the normal powder. And I have the other powder. So I'd like to use this powder. I think this one. What do you think, guys? This powder, the color blends, right? Can you see? Right. Good. So I selected your natural color, so that's
Why are you packing it like
I
food?
don't even know if I'm back. I'm just touching
Guys,
it.
you just packing it like.
It's not showing that it's on the brush now, so I
Yes.
need to, give it that good touch. I'm the best out there, no doubt. So, right now I think I'm just gonna draw a brow.
Guys, look at the brush. That I need to comb my brow hair.
No, okay. No, it can't be this one. This one's too fluffy. It can't be this.
Why did you show the
This
camera?
is too fluffy.
One eternity later.
I've seen it. Oh, sorry. This is what I'm looking for. Dun, dun. Now I'm just gonna quickly draw the brow. Oh my god. Oh my. This is. Yeah.
I'm not sure what you did on my face, bro.
I like it. As long as I like it, it doesn't matter. Nobody else, well, I believe people would like it too as well. So trust me.
I can't see it yet, so.
You would see it later. You would really, really appreciate it. I'm serious. Don't jam am, don't tell me.
So you're done with the brows?
Yeah, not yet. Not
okay.
yet. So I still need to. I think I need to overlay it with some more colors.
What color do you need?
I'm not sure because I'm considering like wine. Trust me, you will like it.
If you want wine, this is one wine.
I don't even need to sharpen it. It's fine. Are you seeing it? Click the like button right now. Just click the like button. Alright? So, do I get a score after this?
Of course. They will rate you.
I'm good.
So guys, he's applying the eye primer at the moment.
At the moment. Okay, so I hope you're enjoying yourself. Still turning out as you expect, right? Let's see. What should we do next? I know what to do. I'm just trying to, ask people for their opinion and what they think. What color they think would be better on you. This is looking sharp. It's looking good. I can see. Yeah, you're gonna apply to this other. I think I'm going to apply the blush first before the powder. So this is the blush. You don't need to apply so much of the blush. Me really like a brush. Okay, I can see actually. It's not just showing very well. Don't worry, you're fine, you're okay, don't worry. No, it's not, it's supposed to be there. Yeah.
What's happening, guys?
Don't worry. I can't, because I have blush here,
Okay.
so I can't put it there, but I know where I have to put it.
Okay.
That is going to be like this place.
Highlighter done, guys.
If you want to learn how to do makeup, I think going the humble way like I'm doing is the best way. So you can learn from me as well. Anyway, I want to do the lipstick now. I think we're getting to the end of the makeup. I have eye for colors. So that's why I've selected these two colors. This is how you people draw this. Colors are beautiful. So you can like this. Do it again, do it again. Do it very well. Do it hard. Yeah. Continue now. Nice. Finally. So when you apply this, it allows the makeup to, glow and then stay on the face longer. So you shake it and you spray. Okay. Wait. No, it remains this side. Wait. Sorry. That's not what I mean. Wait now. Stop doing your finger like this. I can't even feel it. Yeah, do normal. Okay, that's all. Use the fan. Let it dry. It needs to dry. When it's dry, you see it come out.
Alright guys, so we are done. I'm going to grab a mirror now so that I see, what I look like.
What? Why are you laughing?
What? Guys, I have one question.
Yes. Ask, yes.
When the first time you saw me in real life,
Yes.
and I had my makeup on, is this anything close to it?
It's because you don't like something shouty. I've seen you so many times. You don't do something very shouty. I would have done something, really noisy. But I don't like bright colors,
So if you had seen me like this,
yes,
you will come and meet me that, Job, I want to be your friend.
I've seen you like this before.
Like this?
I mean, I'm telling you, I did the replica of what you did before, so...
What? I don't even know where to start. What did you do on my eyes?
Which one is out of... Which one exactly is out of place?
The eyes.
Okay, it's the eyes.
The blush. The
Blush
highlighter.
is
What?
good now.
What? Am I a signboard?
So for the eye, it's not like that. It's not what you are seeing. I think it's the mirror. Because in Yoruba land, where I'm from, it get to a point they will say that the mirror is abusing you. So that means
it's magnifying.
So the mirror is saying what it's not supposed to say. She's saying something different. I'm pretty sure you guys are seeing the perfect side of this makeup, right?
Wait, why did you use purple on my brow?
Like I said, you don't like color that is shouty. So,
guys, he used a purple pencil on my brows.
You see how it blends with your eyebrow. Nobody can see it from afar. It's just that it darkens the eyebrow and then people see, oh, she has an eyebrow.
They didn't know before.
No. It doesn't look like you have eyebrow before. That's what I'm seeing.
I like this side of my face is the part I like the most.
Hey, that's now you're talking.
Just this side.
How about this, please?
No. Nothing. Guys, oh my god. Guys, I rate Dayo 2/10.
This is not fair. This is not fair at all.
Please drop your ratings in the comment section below.
Thank you. You will see.
Thank you so much guys for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave your rating for Dayo down in the comment section and let's have a chat as well. Thank you so much again. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe.
What are you still doing? You learn this thing. Subscribe. You will see. You will get notification each time we post video like this.
For Dio's sake, please
Subscribe.
For Dio's sake, please subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, Jesus loves you.
Peace out.
Bye.